Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I've got in today a whole box full of these. They're Ego 56 volt batteries. I've got some 2.5 amp hour this size. They've all got different errors, won't charge, whatever. And I've got some that are like this, the big 5 amp hour pack. They're quite meaty. They seem really well built, quite well made. They've got some weird cells in, which is cool. However, none of them work. They've all got problems. This one, someone's already taken the screws out the top. Ah, nice. That's convenient, isn't it? Now, they don't charge, and they don't, well, they'll discharge, but they won't discharge on a tool. And what I'm finding with all the ones I've opened up so far is that all the cells are fine, but the BMS is bad on every single one. So, these are our balance connectors here. This is our what do you call it? Like little harness that goes to the communication harness. There you go. So main negative here, because these balance leads do all of them apart from the main negative and positive, and there are 2 temp sensors also on there. Right. So if we go to our main negative there, I'll go through one of the small batteries with you and one of the big ones, and we can have a little look in them because it's kind of interesting. There's not much I've seen available online about, you know, sort of what's going on inside them. So main negative to main, ooh, that's not easy to do. Let's do it around that way. Main neg to main pos is going to show us 48 volts. You can't even see the multimeter. There you go. 48 volts on there. So can't remember which way round these leads go now. I've just done so many of these. I've just been through like 6 of them already. Does it go to this one next? What have I done? 24 volts to there, so no. Must be this one here. The blue lead just there. I could check in there, couldn't I? There you go, right, 3.47 volts. 3.468. 3.468. 3.468. 3.468. 3.393. That, you know, they're a touch out of balance, but really not bad. 3.471. 3.469, 3.47, 3.47, 3.472, 3.468, 3.472. And then we go over to the main positive connection. Oh, need more hands. 3.47. Cells are all fine. Again, in all the packs I've tested, cells have been fine, which is no good. Cells, okay. BMS, bad. Huh, someone really has taken all the screws out of this one. That's handy. So inside here, look, there are these bizarre cells. I don't know what they are. They've got no labels on them. But they're obviously 2.5 amp hour each. And they're like a weird little... They've got this lump in the middle. So they're thin there, fat here, thin here. No idea. Not encountered them before. Don't really know what they are. No stickers, no labels. But... it's all quite well built, got little balance connectors, it's all held in with the little tabs. Temperature sensors here, all doing well. There's a tiny bit of corrosion on that lead there, but you know, there's nothing too bad really. Oh, that's a bit gross. Most of them have been absolutely fine, it's only a bit of surface rust on there I think anyway. Unfortunately, none of them work. You put them on the charger, they just kind of blink, or don't do anything at all. I've tried doing like a BMS reset, i.e. disconnecting all the power from the BMS which is up in here underneath all this epoxy, so you can't get to anything. Just no joy, unfortunately, which is, it's a bit of a shame, because all the cells are fine. It's just a waste, isn't it? Just a waste. I can't get just the BMSs, which is a classic kind of anti-right to repair bit of, well, it's bullshit, really, is what it is. Sorry, YouTube, I've said a bad word, please demonetize me. Let's plug that one back in there. There's a long connector and a short connector, so you can't really get them around the wrong way. Go that way. There you go, that one goes that way. That's unhappy because the cells aren't connected all the way. And then there's no slag. That's that one. And what it will do is it will say it's okay there. Okay, I don't have the screws for this one. Oh, there you go. Randomly okay, and then it decides there's a big error and it's all bad. They've all got slightly different error codes flashing up on the thing. I don't know what they mean, but they're no good. This one is an Ego Power Plus, 56 volt, 2.5 amp hour, BA1400T, 56 volt max, 140 watt hours. And yeah, unfortunately, they're all no good. That's yeah, no fun. Thank you very much for watching. At some point in a different video, I will open up one of the other packs, the larger ones, so we'll have a look at them. Thank you.